Hello and welcome to Blockmetrics, your source for professional crypto market insights. It's May 1st, 2025, 2 p.m. ET, and Bitcoin is making headlines with a major price surge. Bitcoin's price is currently around $96,000 USD, climbing roughly 2-3% in the past 24 hours. Trading volumes are robust. About $20 billion in BTC traded over the last day, and Bitcoin's market capitalization now stands near an impressive $1.9 trillion. As seen in the charts, Bitcoin rebounded sharply from its early April low around $74,000 up to roughly $95,000 by the end of April. This rapid rise, over 25% off the lows in just a few weeks, has propelled Bitcoin back on a bullish trajectory. The resurgence comes after a Q1 pullback. Recall that Bitcoin hit a new all-time high around $109,000 in January before a late winter slump. Now, having shaken off those bearish signals and economic jitters, Bitcoin is showing resilience. Buyers and sellers are battling around the $95K level, which has emerged as an important resistance zone in recent weeks. Institutional inflows via new ETFs are a major driver. Spot Bitcoin. ETFs saw roughly $591 million in net inflows in a single day, contributing to over $3.3 billion of inflows last week. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, one of the largest new ETFs, led the pack, reportedly raking in nearly $1 billion in purchases in a single day as April ended. This surge of capital via regulated investment vehicles demonstrates huge pent-up demand. With easier access through ETFs, institutional adoption of Bitcoin has hit a new gear, providing a strong tailwind for the price. Post-halving supply squeeze is another factor. Bitcoin's halving in April 2024 cut the rate of new BTC supply in half. Now, 1 year later, that reduced supply is being keenly felt. On-chain data shows that long-term holders, the so-called whales, have been accumulating coins aggressively during the recent dip and recovery instead of selling. Macro and mainstream tailwinds are also boosting Bitcoin. Investors are increasingly optimistic about potential interest rate cuts, while a weaker dollar and inflation concerns drive some toward Bitcoin as a store of value alternative. Market sentiment has shifted decisively bullish. Crypto fear and greed indices moved firmly into greed territory in late April, reflecting growing trader confidence as prices climbed. Social media chatter is up, and Google search trends for Bitcoin have spiked as the public takes notice of the rally towards six figures. This improving sentiment creates a bit of a feedback loop. Technically, Bitcoin's trend looks strong. The price is trading above major moving averages like the 200-day MA. Right now, BTC is consolidating just below a key resistance around $95,000. If Bitcoin manages to breach the $100,000 mark in the coming days, it could trigger a wave of new buyers and potentially unleash the next stage of fear of missing out-driven rallying. Support levels to watch on any dips include the mid-$90,000 region, then around $90,000 down to $88,000. Below that, stronger support sits in the $80,000 range. Even bullish markets can have 5 to 10% pullbacks on profit-taking or news scares. Short-term corrections are possible at any time, given that Bitcoin is still a volatile asset. All in all, the outlook for May remains constructive. The combination of strong fundamentals and positive sentiment means Bitcoin has a solid chance to continue its climb in the near term. To wrap up, Bitcoin's current surge, with the price around $96K as of today, is no fluke. It's driven by concrete factors like institutional investment flows, a post-halving supply squeeze, and bullish market sentiment. Bitcoin has regained its stride and could be on the verge of a historic breakout if momentum continues. Will we see that $100K level fall? The coming days will tell, and Blockmetrics will be here to keep you informed every step of the way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Blockmetrics channel for up-to-date crypto news and expert market analysis. Your support helps us bring you the latest on Bitcoin and the crypto market's biggest moves. Stay tuned for our next update, and as always, happy investing.